Many Western religious practices lack a certain depth. They often focus on the external aspects of worship, such as the grandeur of the church building or the eloquence of the sermon. While these elements can be inspiring, they sometimes miss the mark when it comes to fostering a profound inner transformation. The rituals, though beautiful, can feel repetitive and devoid of personal meaning. They often lack rituals that truly transform. These rituals should be more than just a series of actions. They should be experiences that touch the soul and awaken a sense of wonder and connection. Imagine a ritual that involves the elements of nature, where each step is a journey into the depths of one's own being. Such rituals have the power to heal and transform, to bring about a sense of renewal and rebirth. These rituals should connect us to something bigger. They should remind us of our place in the universe, of the intricate web of life that we are a part of. When we stand in awe of a vast landscape or feel the warmth of human connection in a circle of friends, we are reminded of the beauty and mystery of existence. These moments of connection are sacred, and they have the power to transform our lives. They should connect us to the divine. The divine is not something distant and unreachable. It is present in every moment, in every breath we take. When we reach out towards the sky, we are reaching out towards the divine within us. This connection is not about following a set of rules or doctrines. It is about experiencing the sacred in the everyday moments of life. Without this connection, we feel a void. This void is a sense of emptiness, a feeling that something is missing. It is a longing for something more, something deeper. We may try to fill this void with material possessions, with achievements, or with distractions, but none of these can truly satisfy the deep yearning of the soul. We crave a deeper meaning. This craving is a sign that our soul is calling out for nourishment, for a connection to something greater than ourselves. It is a call to embark on a journey of self-discovery, to explore the depths of our own being and to find the sacred within. This journey is not always easy, but it is one that is deeply rewarding. Traditional services and rituals can sometimes feel empty. They may follow a set pattern, but they lack the spontaneity and authenticity that comes from a genuine spiritual experience. When we go through the motions without truly engaging our hearts and minds, we miss out on the transformative power of these practices. It is not enough to simply attend a service. We must be fully present and open to the experience. They may lack the power to quiet the mind. In our fast-paced world, our minds are constantly racing, filled with thoughts and worries. Traditional rituals may not provide the space for stillness and reflection that we need to quiet our minds and connect with our inner selves. Practices like meditation and yoga, which focus on mindfulness and presence, can help us find that inner peace. They may not lead us to true spiritual experience. A true spiritual experience is one that touches the core of our being, that brings us into a state of profound peace and connection. It is an experience that cannot be forced or manufactured. It must arise naturally from within. When we create the right conditions for this experience, it can transform our lives in ways we never imagined. This leaves many feeling unfulfilled. We may go through the motions of our daily lives, but without a sense of deeper meaning and purpose, we feel a sense of emptiness. This unfulfillment is a sign that we are not living in alignment with our true selves, that we are not fully embracing the sacredness of our existence. We are searching for something more. This search is a journey of the soul, a quest to find the deeper meaning and connection that we crave. It is a journey that takes us beyond the surface of our lives and into the depths of our own being. Along the way, we may encounter challenges and obstacles, but each step brings us closer to the truth of who we are. Where can we find this deeper connection? The answer is not in the external world, but within ourselves. It is in the moments of stillness and reflection, in the quiet spaces where we can hear the whispers of our own soul. It is in the simple acts of kindness and compassion, in the ways we connect with others and with the world around us. How can we experience the divine? The answer lies within. The divine is not something separate from us. It is the essence of who we are. When we turn inward and connect with our own inner being, we are connecting with the divine. This connection is not about following a set of rules or beliefs. It is about experiencing the sacred in the everyday moments of life. It lies in the stillness of our own being. In the quiet moments of reflection, we can find a sense of peace and connection that transcends the chaos of the external world. This stillness is a doorway to the divine, a space where we can experience the sacredness of our own existence. It is in this stillness that we can find the answers we seek and the connection we crave. It is time to explore a different path. The path to true spiritual connection is not always the one that is most obvious or well-trodden. It may require us to step outside of our comfort zones and to explore new ways of being and experiencing the world. This path is a journey of self-discovery, a quest to find the deeper meaning and connection that we seek. It is time to turn inward. The answers we seek are not out there in the world, but within ourselves. When we turn inward and connect with our own inner being, we can find the peace and connection that we crave. This inward journey is a path to true spiritual fulfillment, a way to experience the sacredness of our own existence. It is time to discover the art of not thinking. In the stillness of our own being, we can find a sense of peace and connection that transcends the chaos of the external world. This stillness is a doorway to the divine, a space where we can experience the sacredness of our own existence. It is in this stillness that we can find the answers we seek and the connection we crave. There is a path to inner peace. It is a journey that takes us inward, away from the chaos of the external world, and into the quiet sanctuary of our own being. This path is not always easy to find, but it is always there, waiting for us to take the first step. It is the path of meditation. Through meditation, we learn to sit with ourselves, to be present in the moment, and to embrace the stillness that lies within. It is a practice that requires patience and dedication, but the rewards are profound. This ancient practice has the power to transform. It can change the way we see the world and the way we see ourselves. It can bring a sense of calm and clarity that is often missing in our busy lives. It can quiet the restless mind. In the stillness of meditation, we find a space where our thoughts can settle, where our worries can fade away, and where we can connect with a deeper sense of peace. It can connect us to our true nature. In this space of stillness, we can begin to see ourselves more clearly, to understand our true desires and our true purpose. We can connect with the essence of who we are. Meditation is not about emptying the mind completely. It is not about forcing ourselves to be silent or to stop thinking. Instead, it is about creating a space where we can observe our thoughts without getting caught up in them. It is about becoming an observer of our thoughts. We learn to watch them come and go, like clouds drifting across the sky, without judgment or attachment. We learn to let them be, to let them pass, and to find peace in the space between them. We watch them come and go without judgment. In this practice, we cultivate a sense of acceptance and compassion for ourselves. We learn to be gentle with our minds, to be patient with our thoughts, and to find peace in the present moment. We simply let them be. In this letting go, we find a freedom that is both profound and transformative. We find a sense of peace that is not dependent on external circumstances but that comes from within. In the stillness, we find peace. We find clarity. We find a connection to something far greater than ourselves. This connection can bring a sense of purpose and meaning to our lives and can help us navigate the challenges and uncertainties of the world with grace and resilience. We find a connection to something far greater than ourselves. In this connection, we find a sense of belonging, a sense of being part of something larger and more profound. This is the path of inner stillness, the path of meditation, the path to peace. Our minds are constantly active. Thoughts race through our heads like a never-ending stream. We worry about the past. We fret about the future. We get lost in a whirlwind of thoughts. This constant mental chatter prevents us from experiencing the present moment. It disconnects us from the beauty and wonder that surround us. We become slaves to our thoughts. We allow them to control our emotions and our lives. This is the tyranny of the thinking mind. Meditation is the key to silencing the incessant chatter. It is a way to step out of the stream of thoughts. It is a way to find peace in the present moment. When we meditate, we simply allow thoughts to arise. We observe them without judgment. We don't engage with them. We don't get carried away by them. We become like a still pond. Thoughts may ripple across the surface, but the depths remain calm and undisturbed. Section 5. The Witness Within. Within each of us resides a silent observer. This is our true nature. It is the part of us that is always at peace. Meditation allows us to connect with this inner witness. We begin to see our thoughts as separate from our true selves. We realize that we are not our thoughts. We are the awareness that observes them. This realization is incredibly liberating. Section 6. The Power of Mantras. Mantras can be powerful tools in meditation. A mantra is a word or sound that is repeated silently or aloud. It helps to focus the mind and quiet the internal dialogue. The specific meaning of the mantra is not important. What matters is the vibration it creates within us. As we repeat the mantra, we release thoughts and enter a state of deep peace. Section 7. A Cosmic Connection. The ultimate goal of meditation is to experience a profound sense of union. This union transcends the boundaries of our individual selves and connects us to the vast, infinite universe. When we meditate, we are not just calming our minds, we are opening a gateway to a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. We connect with something far greater than ourselves. This connection is not merely a fleeting feeling but a profound realization that we are part of a larger, interconnected web of existence. As we gaze at the stars, we are reminded of the vastness of the universe and our intrinsic connection to it. We experience the interconnectedness of all things. Just as the roots of trees intertwine beneath the forest floor, our lives are intertwined with the cosmos. Every breath we take, every thought we have is a part of this grand tapestry of existence. This is not a concept to be grasped intellectually. It is a feeling that permeates our very being, a sense of unity that transcends words and thoughts. When we walk through a forest or sit by a serene lake, we can feel this connection in the stillness and beauty of nature. It is a state of being, a state where we are fully present, fully aware, and fully connected to the world around us. Through practices like yoga and meditation, we cultivate this state of being, allowing us to experience the world with a sense of wonder and awe. It is a direct experience of oneness with the cosmos. Under the vast expanse of the night sky, we can feel the pulse of the universe within us. Each star, each galaxy is a reminder of the infinite possibilities and the boundless nature of our existence. In this state of union, we transcend the limitations of the ego. We move beyond our individual concerns and connect with a higher purpose. Standing on a cliff edge at sunrise or meditating at sunset, we can feel the vastness of the horizon and the limitless potential within us. We experience a deep sense of peace and belonging. This peace is not just the absence of conflict, but a profound sense of harmony with the universe. Lying in a field of flowers or watching the ocean waves at sunset, we can feel this peace enveloping us, reminding us that we are never truly alone. Section 8. Cultivating Presence. Meditation is not just something we do for a few minutes each day. It is a way of being. It is about bringing presence and awareness to every moment of our lives. When we eat with awareness. When we walk with awareness. When we interact with others, we interact with presence. In this way, meditation becomes a way of life. It transforms our experience of the world. Section 9. Finding Sanctuary. In a world filled with noise and distraction, meditation is a sanctuary. It is a place of peace and stillness within ourselves. By cultivating inner stillness, we find true freedom. We are no longer at the mercy of our thoughts and emotions. We discover a wellspring of peace and joy that is always available to us. We discover the power of not thinking. We discover our true nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey toward inner peace and the art of not thinking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content.